Still wet. Okay, so now it's warmed up. If I close this switch, I should get voltage at the meter. It's good, nothing dramatic happened. Is there voltage on that?
Yes, there is.
Okay, cool. So we've got about a... Ooh. Oh, there's also current, though. No, there's not. There's voltage. Oh, we're already well over 50 volts. We got to slow it down. That surprises me. How many volts do we have now? That's good. Still over 50 volts. What happens if I throw this switch? So if I throw this switch, it should charge these batteries. Nice. Okay, so the engine's running nice and slow, and we're charging it about 7 amps. There's battery voltage, so 40 times 7, that's 4 times 7, 280 watts right now. This alternator I built to charge at higher voltage, so we won't get real impressive wattage out of it, but it's fun to see it doing some work. This was meant to charge at about 60 volts. I'm charging at 40. And you can tell it's working now. It's leaking a lot out the bottom there, but that's okay. And you can hear the alternator humming. It gets a little louder when it's working. Still on the sight glass, that's good. It's 30 amps, 30 times 40. Well, I'm actually pushing this battery way too high for lithium iron phosphate, so. Or am I? Yeah, that's about as hard as we want to push it.
Yeah.
Got a little leak there. It's the first time this engine's done any work in a long time. We definitely need to deal with that packing. The fire gets rather dramatic when it's working, because the exhaust is drafting the fire. Anyhow, there you have it. This is how you make electricity by burning wind turbine blades.